Welcome to the morning rush hour in the Florida wetlands. Here, a great blue heron takes center stage, stalking the shallows with surgical precision. But he isn't alone. Just a few feet away, mottled ducks glide past, stirring the sediment, while a territorial Egyptian goose keeps a watchful eye. Notice the tension. Even a wood stork joins the fray, using its specialized foot-stirring technique nearby. This is a multi-species hunting ground where every movement matters. The heron waits for the perfect moment, proving why it's the apex fisher of the marsh. Survival is a game of patience and timing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to learn more about Florida's bird species.